Hello there, and welcome to this maths lesson. And this lesson is all about large numbers. So in a number, each digit has a place value. Look at each digit's place to work out its value. So let's have a look at this. So this number is 482,156. So if you put these numbers in its rightful place value, the first number, which is 400,000, comes under this category here. And then we have 8, which stands for 10,000s. And then we have 2, which stands for 2,000s. 1, which is 100s. 5 10s, and 6 1s. So the number reads 482,156. So when you multiply large numbers by 10, 100, or 1,000, all the digits move to the left and the spaces are filled in with zeros. So for example, 285 multiplied by 10, you just stick a 0 at the end of 285 to make 2,850. If 285 is multiplied by 100, you do exactly the same thing. You just stick the 2 zeros at the end of 285 to make 28,500. And again, if you multiply by 1,000, you do exactly the same thing. You just add 3 zeros at the end. When you divide numbers by 10, 100, or 1,000, you actually, in fact, do the opposite. So if, for example, 17,000 divided by 100, you will just cancel these 2 zeros at the end, and that will become 170. 17,000 divided by 1,000, you do the same thing. So you cancel the 3 zeros at the end, and you get 17. And if you had, say, for example, 17,000 divided by 10, then you will just cancel 1 zero, and that will become 1,700. So with large numbers, it's important to know how to do these particular questions. So let's have a look at one of the example questions first of all. So the first example question says, convert 32,052 into figures. Okay, so let's do that together. So 32,000. So 32,000 will require a comma there, and then we have what we call 50 into figures. Okay, so now here we can determine which number goes where in terms of its place value. So I would say that the 3 stands for 10,000s. So we'll just write this down, 10,000s. Okay, with a space there. The 2 stands for thousands. The 0 in this case stands for hundreds. The 5 stands for tens, and the 0 stands for ones. So if you ever get in a muddle with regards to big numbers, please do write it out like this and label them in terms of their place values. And you have the image here to help you as well, especially with slightly bigger numbers, and see how you get on. We'll cover all these questions in class, in our follow-up class. In the meantime, good luck with the rest of these questions. Thank you.